In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your flight itinerary to Google Calendar. This is a very handy feature that lets you easily keep track of your flights and organize your schedule with minimal effort. Let's dive right into it. First, let's make sure your Google Calendar is set up to automatically update with event details from Gmail. This is a pretty straightforward process that will save you a lot of time in the future. Open Google Calendar and locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. This gear icon is your gateway to a plethora of settings that can customize your calendar experience. Click on it and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section titled Events from Gmail. You'll see a checkbox next to Show Events automatically created by Gmail in my calendar. Clicking this box will ensure that any flight confirmation emails you receive will automatically appear in your calendar. This means no more worrying about manually entering each flight, as everything will be seamlessly updated for you. However, if for some reason your flight details do not automatically sync, or if you're not comfortable with this automatic feature, you can manually add a flight to your Google Calendar. First, decide on the date and time of your flight, then click on that date within the calendar view. This will open up an event creation box. The first thing you should do is give your event a relevant title. I recommend using something straightforward like your flight number and destination. This helps keep things clear and organized, especially if you have multiple flights. After setting the title, it's important to specify the correct departure and arrival times. Double check these times, as messing them up could cause confusion, especially when dealing with different time zones. Make sure your calendar reflects the right time zone as per your location. Next, add the location. For flights, it's helpful to input either the airport codes or the full airport names for both your departure and arrival airports. This way, there's no ambiguity about where you're heading to or coming from. Lastly, you can fill in the description field. Here, you might want to include additional details such as your booking reference number or seat number. This information can be incredibly useful as it keeps all your travel details centralized and easy to access. Once you've set everything up, go ahead and click Save. That's it. Your flight is now added to your Google Calendar, ensuring that all pertinent details are safely stored and easily accessible. Whether you're a frequent traveler or someone planning a special trip, knowing how to effortlessly add flight information to your calendar can make travel planning smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.